Hi class! Good day! So I'm Ma'am Elaine Aring, your math teacher. So today, we are going to talk about the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. In the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. As you can see, the values of b, a, and c are from the standard form of the quadratic. In the quadratic formula, as you can see, meron nasa loob ng radicand, b squared minus 4ac. Yan ang tinatawag nating discriminant. Ano ba yung discriminant? Ito yung tumutukoy sa nature of roots ng quadratic equation. What are the nature of roots? Ito po yung kung real, rational, or irrational ba siya, and imaginary, yung isang number. And at the same time, kung equal ba siya or not equal. Okay, so let's begin. So we have 4 cases to determine the nature of roots. Kapag si d is equal to 0, ibig sabihin, kapag sinubstitute nyo na yung value ni b squared minus 4ac at ang lumabas ay 0, ang nature of roots natin is real, rational, and equal. Okay? Next, kapag si d naman is greater than 0, ibig sabihin, positive numbers, positive siya, and at the same time, perfect square. Do you still remember yung perfect square natin? For example, yung 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on. Yun yung tinatawag nating perfect square. So, kapag si d is greater than 0 and at the same time perfect square, so, ang ating nature of roots is real, rational, and unequal. So, meron tayong dalawang roots. Yung kaninang kapag 0, isa lang yung roots natin dito kasi equal lang. Next, kapag si d naman is greater than 0, ibig sabihin, positive numbers pa rin, pero hindi siya perfect square. So, ang nature of roots natin is real, irrational, and unequal. And last, kapag si d is less than 0, ibig sabihin, negative, ang nature of roots natin is not real or imaginary. So, let's have some examples. So, we are going to determine the discriminant and the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. Number 1, x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so since naka-standard form na siya, so we can easily determine the values of a. So, what is the value of a? Okay, 1. B is negative 2. And c is positive 1. So, by using the formula for the discriminant, we have b is equal to b squared minus 4ac. O, sa-substitute lang natin to. So, we have negative 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 1. So, the value of d would be, what is negative 2 square? Okay, 4. Then, 4 times 1 times 1 is 4 also. So, what is the value of d? So, the value of d here is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, ang nature of roots natin is real, rational, and equal. Okay. So, yun. Ganun lang ang gagawin. Next example. Number 2. Okay. So, determine muna natin yung value ni A, B, at C. So, A natin is 1. B is negative 6. At si C is positive 7. So, the formula is b squared minus 4ac. So, substitute na natin yung value ni d. So, we have negative 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 7. Okay, so D is, what is negative 6 square? 36. Minus 4 times 1 times 7. So the answer is 28. So what is the value of D? 36 minus 28. Okay, the answer is 8. Okay, what can you say about 8? Okay, 8 is a positive number. So, ibig sabihin, greater than, D is greater than 0. Is 8 a perfect square? Okay, not. So, D is greater than 0 and at the same time, not a perfect square. So, the nature of roots of this quadratic equation is real, irrational, and unequal. Okay. Next example. Number 3. Okay. Una, naka-standard form ba siya? Hindi. So, arrange muna natin siya. So, this will become 3x squared minus x, transpose si 2, this will become negative 2 equals 0. So, naka-standard form na siya. Anong value ni A natin? 3. Si B is negative 1. At si C is negative 2. Okay, so by substituting the values of the discriminant or the values of A, B, C in the discriminant, so we have, what is our B? Negative 1. Negative 1 square minus 4 times 3 times negative 2. Okay, so we have, what is negative 1 square? Okay, positive 1. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Times negative 2, we have positive 24. Okay, so D is equal to 25. So, as you can see, positive numbers. So, ibig sabihin, D is greater than 0. Okay, what can you say about 25? 25 is a perfect square. So, ibig sabihin, ang nature of roots niya is real, rational, and unequal. Okay? Okay. Fourth example. So, yellow naman gamitin natin. So, since naka-standard form na siya, so, madali na lang. So, the value of A is negative 4. B is, sandali. The value of A is 1, tama. B is negative 4. At si C is positive 5. So, substitute na natin siya sa formula ng discriminant na B squared minus 4AC. So, D is equal to, ang B natin is negative 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 5. So, negative 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 5, negative 20. So, what is the value of D? 16 minus 20. So, the answer is negative 4. Okay. So, as you can see, D is less than 0. Negative number siya. So, ibig sabihin, ang nature of roots niya is not real or imaginary. O, slash na lang natin. Slash imaginary. Imaginary. Okay? Okay. So, last example na tayo. Number 5. O, first question, naka-standard form ba siya? Hindi. So, aayusin nyo muna. O, gamit tayo ng black na lang para last example. So, 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 na siya equals 0. So, the value of A is 2. B is negative 3. At si C is positive 7. So, using the discriminant formula, b squared minus 4ac. So, D is equal to negative 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times 7. So, D is equal to negative 3 squared is 9. And then, negative 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 7 is negative 56. So, what is the value of D? 9 minus 56 is 47. Is 47, negative 47. So, as you can see, negative 47 is less than 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung number 5, yung roots niya are not real. Okay, that's it.